Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, faces of cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. If two views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the top when F is at the bottom? Here we can observe, as per the first view, C and D are adjacent to F. So C and D are not opposite to F. Similarly, as per the second view, A and E or E and A are adjacent to F. So A and E are not opposite to F. So only B is left and has to be opposite to F. So our correct option is option C.